The voluntary carbon market is a marketplace where companies and private individuals can trade carbon credits to compensate for their emissions. There are many challenges in the voluntary carbon market, from additionality to transparency and to the quality of the project. On the voluntary carbon market there are two different types of credits. First one is removal credits and the second one being avoidance credits. Avoidance credits can originate from projects such as renewable energy projects. On the other hand, removals projects based on projects that are sequestering carbon, whether that be from natural solutions or from technological solutions. Since the market's origination, over 90% of all credits issued in the voluntary carbon market have originated from avoidance projects. Due to concerns with the additionality of these avoidance projects, there has been growing concern within the voluntary carbon market in general and a shift towards removals projects. We are investing in projects that are giving benefit across the three fronts of carbon, biodiversity and social co-benefits. In comparison to typical reforestation projects, NatureRe applies the method known as assisted natural regeneration. We firstly take out all disturbances that could cause natural regeneration to not occur. Basically removing the cattle ranching, whether that be cattle ranching is fixing fences and removing other obstacles to natural regeneration.